It's time to play Who's Got the Oldest Furnace for your chance to win a brand new Dave Lennox Signature Collection furnace and thermostat from Metal Masters. It's easy to play. If you think you've got an old furnace, call us to schedule an appointment with a home comfort consultant by November 20th. A winner will be selected by December 4th. For details, call Metal Masters, your local Lennox dealer. In Medford, call 779-1049. In Klamath Falls, call 883-3237. Or visit us online at metalmasters-inc.com. Committed to your comfort since 1968, we're Metal Masters. License number CCB 529.